So in this video I will explain you about loss of function mutation. So before that one I'll just take this example and explain you how exactly loss of function mutation works. So this is the double stranded DNA. When the double stranded DNA, it codes for this is a protein coding gene of the DNA, and this gives rise to, when it undergo transcription, this gives rise to mRNA, and when the mRNA is translated, it produces a protein. This we'll call it as protein A. As you know that mutation is defined as any alteration in the nucleotide sequence of the gene is called as a mutation. Here, though I have not written any nucleotides here, I have written something in red color. I consider this as a mutation. So there is an incorporation of the mutation. This mutation has led to the production of the mRNA which has a defect in it, I mean the changed nucleotide, altered nucleotide in it. Subsequently, when this mRNA is translated by ribosomes, it produces a protein. I am calling it as misfolded protein. Misfolded protein A. So it is supposed to look like this. The protein A is supposed to look like this, but because of a mutation in the gene, it is looking like this. The conformation of the protein has been changed. Therefore, it cannot perform its normal function. This protein A has a specific function in the cell. Because of the insertion of the mutation, because of this mutation, the conformation of the protein has been changed in such a way that this protein cannot perform its function anymore. So we call this as the loss of function mutation. Because of the insertion of a mutation in the gene, the protein has lost its activity. That's why it is loss of function mutation. So I can give you a simple example, well-known example for loss of function mutation so that you can understand in a better way. To do that, so as we all know, cystic fibrosis is a disease caused by mutation in the gene CFTR. CFTR means cystic fibrosis transmembrane receptor. So to explain you about CFTR, so let's consider this is a cell. The cell expresses a protein called as it expresses a ion channel, or it expresses a protein called as CFTR. So this is CFTR protein. So CFTR protein is coded by a gene. When the gene undergo transcription, it produces mRNA. When the mRNA undergo translation, it produces CFTR protein. This CFTR protein goes and incorporate into the plasma membrane of the cell. The function of the CFTR is, it is involved in the movement of chloride ions. It is CFTR gene is a protein is involved in the movement of chloride ion across the across the plasma membrane. In the case of cystic fibrosis, there is a mutation in the gene that codes for CFTR gene. So I am writing here again. So in this case, in the cell, there is a mutation. It could be any type of mutation. There is a mutation in the CFTR gene where I have indicated with red. This results in production of the mutated mRNA. Subsequently, a misfolded protein. This misfolded protein, let me call this is the misfolded protein, CFTR protein, mutated. This protein cannot transport chloride ions across the membrane. Actually, when there is no mutation, this gene produces mRNA, and mRNA produces CFTR protein, which is involved in the transportation of chloride ion across the membrane. Because of the mutation, there is a formation of the mRNA, but the protein produced has lost its function. Though it is there, it is incorporated into the biological membrane. This protein cannot transport chloride ions across the plasma membrane. Therefore, this function has lost its activity. This protein has lost its function. So we call it as this kind of mutations. We call it as loss of function mutation, where the gene, when it undergo mutation, its effect is projected in at the protein level. Protein becomes non-functional. Though it is present in its position or its designated place, the protein cannot perform its function. In this condition, this results in the disease called as cystic fibrosis. So this is the kind of mutation that we observe in case of the cystic fibrosis, and this is a classical example for the loss of function mutations. Thank you.